can you make one of them light up?
Mr. Strong, are you here with us tonight?
Why is your no?
I heard something.
I heard too.
Mm-hmm.
Do we need to radio to see if anyone's in the building?
Yeah, because that sounded.
It sounded almost like Mike or something.
Yeah.
Is there someone else in the house?
Not once Kathy went in the front door.
No, we'd have heard that.
No, we would have heard that. We heard a male voice. We were just making sure there was no one else here.